apps on these phones affecting kids at schools across the city, like this high school here, Fort Hamilton, here in Bay Ridge. The lawsuit names Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube. The mayor saying this has cost the city more than $100 million in mental health care for these kids that are dealing with what they're seeing on these phones day in and day out. Now, this follows the commissioner's report last year saying that kids are seeing an increase in hopelessness and suicidal ideations due to all the time spent on the phones. The mayor saying students typically spend more than 3 hours a day on their phones, and that does not include when they're doing schoolwork. He says that young kids are especially vulnerable to these apps because their minds are not fully developed and the algorithms keep them on the phone a long time. Now, just a few minutes ago here at this high school, we spoke with a teacher who said he's been teaching for 25 years and he surely has seen what these apps do to the kids. But more than anything else, he says he wishes the mayor would work to instead ban the phones from the classroom because they're a major distraction.
I think it would be a better way to go. I think it would be a lot easier. It'd help across the board. Like, I think students would be more focused. Teachers would be able to do their job without, students being distracted. And even if the teachers had to put their phones away, that's fine too. That's okay.
The other thing that teacher told us is that the biggest difference he's seen over the last 2 decades with the increase of the phone usage is, of course, the cyberbullying. Now, for their part, these tech companies have said they've implemented controls on these apps that would help prevent the cyberbullying and some of the other adverse effects that the mayor is noting. That lawsuit seeking an unspecified amount of money, so we'll have to wait and see where this could go. Some groups in New York City yesterday saying that the mayor could have picked a different way to go than perhaps joining a lawsuit that might not go anywhere. So we'll have to see what happens there. That's the latest from Brooklyn. I'm Julie Millay, Pix 11 News.